Hi, welcome to HardwareZone TV. Today we'll be talking about Microsoft's Windows 8 OS. As you know by now, it's highly optimized for touch, and its start screen is based on the modern UI, which has heavy emphasis on simplicity and focus on content. It's made of colored tiles that are the gateway to your apps. And because it's designed for touch, there are also many elements within the OS that have been designed to make it convenient for you to navigate around Windows 8 using just your fingers. Charms are powerful contextual controls that give you access to almost every corner of the OS. Invoking the Charms menu is relatively simple. Simply slide your finger from the outside on the right, inwards, and you'll see the Charms menu. If you're using a mouse, just move the cursor to the top right corner and slide it down. On a keyboard, it's even easier. Just hit the Windows key and C. You then see 5 different charms. Each one has a pretty straightforward function that are useful in helping you navigate. The first charm you see is the search charm. It allows you to search for almost everything in the system, be it apps, settings, or files. And since it's contextual, it will also work within apps. For example, in IE10, it will use Bing to search the internet. The share charm lets you share information between apps. It works only with start screen apps which support the feature. Apps that do not support the feature will not appear when you try to share something. You can share anything from web pages or particular pages within an app. In Windows 8, the default screen that you see is the start screen. For the start charm, it behaves like the Windows button you see on the keyboard. Hitting it will always bring you back to the start screen, no matter which area in the OS you're in. If you're already in the start screen, it will bring you back to the last used app. The Devices charm gives you access to supported devices, which you can then control. You can send documents to print from connected printers, or control additional monitors and what they display. The Settings charm displays system settings by default. You will always see the usual 6, which are network, volume, brightness, notifications, power, and keyboard. And because it's also contextual, this charm will also bring up app settings if you are working from within an app. For the longest time, we've been right-clicking on our mice to get menus and options. To cater for tablets, you only need to slide your finger from the top or bottom of the screen inwards. Multitasking is relatively easy too. Just drag from the left side of the screen inwards, and you can drag it to the side of the screen you want it to go easily. Or, you can drag it in and throw it out again to see what other apps are open. For an overview of the apps or tiles, simply pinch the zoom out. We're sure this is not the first time you've seen this action, but this action is intuitive and it's easy to remember. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit hardwarezone.com.sg.